Welcome to the kitchen today, Chef Benning. You're a Canadian native living in WA now, and we're about to cook with an iconic West Australian protein. Tell us what you've got today.
So we've got the beautiful Fremantle octopus, and basically we're gonna cook a octopus congee.
So why is this recipe special to you?
Basically my dad used to cook it during the holidays. It's very simple, and it's just a lot of traditional Chinese flavors that I grew up with.
I think what's incredible about Fremantle octopus specifically as well is its tentacles are so large, and it's got that really sweet lobster almost taste to it.
It's a delicious product.
So we've got the octopus boiling. What's up next?
Basically we're gonna do the congee. This is 2 parts sushi rice and 1 part jasmine.
Awesome.
And then we have a salted preserved Chinese duck egg.
Fantastic.
So we basically crumble that in. Next, we go with the seaweed oil that I made down south. It's dehydrated golden kelp and mixed with 2 parts oil. Basically, just massage it in. Because it's soaked overnight, it's basically gonna break down really easily. So the chicken stock has come up to a boil, and we're just gonna put it in. Chicken stock's boiling, rice is in. We're gonna stir it for like 5 to 15 minutes. The octopus, it's like, it can take on so many flavors. You know, you put chili or, you know, barbecue, char, smoke, sear, it's like really versatile. So we've got 2 more ingredients just to drop in the congee. One is a dried porcini, just 1 piece, pretty powerful. And then we've got a nice piece of dried kelp just to add a little bit more umami. So we've got the octopus coming out of the cooking liquid, and it's been in for about just under an hour. You can see the flesh is nice and
really tenderized.
Yeah. We'll just put these on. What we're gonna do is basically put the larger pieces back into the congee and sort of let the congee flavors and octopus flavors marinate. Get it back to a nice simmer. We've got this. We'll go with scallion, and it can be like super rustic, you know, just chuck it on. A little bit of the oil, and then literally like I only like 3 or 4 drops.
Okay, let's try this.
Let's.
That umami flavour is not too overpowering, but it really complements the dish. It's delicate, it's humble.
Yeah, it's really the octopus and the congee they meld together, you know.
It's beautiful, Ben. Thank you so much for cooking with us today. It's been a treat.
No worries.